Hey everybody, how's everybody doing today? It's Becky down here in Texas, Becky Texas Woodshop. I'm venturing out this morning. I got my scroll saw out, and what this is going to be is a tutorial for me. So I'm going to make this a short video, show me doing a little bit of scroll sawing, and then please, I would like people to tell me what I'm doing wrong, because I know I'm doing probably a lot of things wrong. I have probably a 2x4, which is something I'm probably not supposed to use, because god dang, that wood is so flipping hard. Anyway, I'll show you what it is, hopefully whenever I finish, because I don't have much longer to go. But anyway, I'm going to start, and then you guys just comment away when you see it. Okay, I got a little, one part I gotta really watch for, so I'm gonna put it on pause for a second and come back.